In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email signature in Pipedrive CRM. If you regularly send emails from Pipedrive, adding a signature is a simple way to make your messages look more professional and consistent. A good email signature can include your name, role, company details, helpful links, or even an image such as a logo, depending on how you want your emails to appear. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the signature settings and how to save your new signature inside Pipedrive. To get started, log into your Pipedrive account and look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click that icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down options, select Personal Preferences. This is where Pipedrive stores many of your individual account settings, including email-related options. Once you're inside Personal Preferences, move to the menu on the left-hand side and click Email Sync. This section controls how your email account connects with Pipedrive and also includes your signature settings. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before continuing. Now scroll or look through the page until you find the Signatures block. This is the area where you can create and manage the signatures used in your emails. To add a new one, click the plus sign labeled Add Signature. This opens the signature editor where you can customize how your signature will appear when sending messages. First, type a name for your signature. This name is mainly for your own organization, especially if you plan to create multiple signatures for different situations, such as sales, outreach, support, or internal communication. After naming it, enter the content of your signature in the text area provided. You can type your sign-off, add contact details, include links, and insert images if needed. It's a good idea to keep the layout clean and easy to read so your emails stay polished and professional. When entering links or images, double-check that everything looks correct and that the formatting is consistent. Small details like spacing, line breaks, and link placement can make a big difference in how the final signature appears to recipients. Once you're happy with the result, click Save to Finish. Your new email signature will now be stored in Pipedrive and ready to use with your synced email messages. And that's it. You've successfully set up an email signature in Pipedrive CRM.